In 2023, Moderna made headlines when it reached an agreement to bring its medicines to China, a development that became public before the company officially announced it. Executive Stefan Bancel was in Shanghai to sign a pact with local authorities, allowing Moderna to research, develop, and manufacture medicines in China using the same messenger RNA technology that produced the COVID-19 vaccine. While many Western companies are withdrawing from China, US-based drug makers are establishing a presence in the country. The sales potential in China is vast and continues to grow. However, to take advantage of this opportunity, companies must navigate strained relations between the two nations, as well as complex internal dynamics within China and heightened political tensions in the US. Among the challenges facing pharmaceutical companies looking to capture part of the $311 billion market are political opposition in the US and the risks of intellectual property theft in China. Moderna's recent efforts to establish a foothold in China highlight both the opportunities and obstacles for Western industries in the country. Revenue generated from China could significantly benefit Moderna, especially as the company has experienced slowing sales of its COVID-19 vaccine in the US and a slow rollout for its new RSV vaccine. In the meantime, a key US lawmaker, Senator Marco Rubio, R. Florida, who was President-elect Donald Trump's pick for Secretary of State, publicly criticized Moderna's interest in China. Bancel remarked that the ongoing geopolitical tensions are not helping us. He noted that conducting business in China has become much more complicated than it would have been 5 years ago, emphasizing that the company is proceeding cautiously and carefully. China's pharmaceutical market is the second largest in the world after that of the US, growing at a robust annual rate of 7%, according to PwC. Despite Rubio's criticisms, Moderna continued to pursue partnerships in China. In August 2023, the company collaborated with a Shanghai biotech firm named CiaRSgen to test a combination of experimental cancer treatments. Moderna is investigating whether an mRNA-based cancer vaccine can be effective when used with CiaRSgen's experimental CAR-T therapy against gastric and pancreatic cancers. Furthermore, in November 2023, Moderna initiated preliminary site work for its first manufacturing plant in Shanghai and is in ongoing discussions with Chinese officials regarding the potential introduction of its medicines in the country. The company has also applied for regulatory approval of its COVID-19 vaccine in China.